Solve any problem. Everyone runs into challenges at one point or another in life. It is how we respond to those problems that allows us to grow or find new opportunities, to see new possibilities, or to let go of things that are not serving us anymore. Because a problem cannot be solved from the same mind frame that created it, problem solving requires stepping into a higher perspective, driving us to evolve and tap into our higher wisdom. In this session, we will reach for that higher perspective and wisdom to see what kind of solutions are available to us. Find a quiet space and make yourself comfortable. I would recommend you to wear loose clothing for this session and to turn off any devices that might be distracting. You could take any sitting position or either lie down on your back. And now, close your eyes gently. Invite your mind to slow down by taking a few deep breaths. Breathe in, bringing clarity and alertness to your mind. Breathe out, letting go of any worries or anxieties. Breathe in. Feel your lungs expanding and filling up with fresh air. And breathe out, relaxing every muscle on your body. And once again, breathe in and breathe out, relaxing further and further. When you feel ready, bring any particular problem or challenge to your mind. Any difficulty that you might be experiencing in your life. Visualize it clearly. What is the issue? Picture it in your mind. Does it involve people? A place in particular? Recall every detail vividly. How does it feel? Just witness it without getting involved. Be a neutral observer of the situation. Notice your reaction without getting caught up on it. Simply be aware, as if you were looking to it from above. Bring up a sense of curiosity. What kind of opportunities could arise out of it? What are the possibilities? Visualize those possibilities. How could the situation develop? Explore different options. Where do they lead to? What are the possible outcomes? Both positive and negative. Remain aware and uninvolved. Just observe from that higher perspective. Let your inner wisdom guide you towards the most fruitful scenario. How does it look? How does it feel? Stay there as an observer, present and aware for a few moments. See how things unfold in the best possible way for your benefit and growth. You have found what you were looking for. It is done. Stay present with that feeling of relief and accomplishment. Now, step back from that image. Come back to your body, completely letting go. Your subconscious mind knows what to do now. The solution will manifest at the perfect time. Trust your intuition, and the next steps will manifest by themselves. Keep your awareness on the body. Feel its weight. Now bring your attention to the palms of your hands. Do you feel any sensations there? Maybe tingling, maybe some vibration. Just become aware of any sensation around your hands. Whenever you feel ready, let's take a few deep breaths and slowly move your fingers and your shoulders. Stretch your neck. Make any movements you need. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today.